We all have great ideas, but turning those ideas into a complete ebook usually takes a lot of time, effort, and writing. Now, with EbookWriter AI, you can skip the hard part and turn your ideas into ready-to-publish ebook content in just minutes. Here's how it works. You start by entering your main topic, niche, or even a few sentences about what you want to create. EbookWriter AI instantly transforms that idea into a full ebook, complete with chapters, subheadings, and smooth professional writing that's ready to use. You don't need to worry about formatting, editing, or structure. The AI takes care of it all, from generating clear, well-organized content to designing the layout and creating a stunning cover. You can also add your own branding, insert affiliate links, or include images to make your ebook stand out. Whether you're building authority in your niche, growing your audience, or creating a new source of passive income, EbookWriter AI makes it possible to publish without writing a single line. Want to turn your ideas into ebooks fast? Click the link in the description and start using EbookWriter AI today.